Oh my god! Nah! Holy shit. Bro, come here, come here, come here.
For today's video, I don't know what kind of B-Tech Casey Nice that intro that was. However, for today's video, we are going to be installing, what the bloody hell is this? Coloured car chassis lamp.
What?
So we are going to be installing underglow to the car, and we're not going to go with the usual front, sides and back. No. We are going to go with my revolutionary idea. One light in the engine bay to shine out the little grills in the front, which is going to look so mean. One on the underside front, and the other two on the side of the car. However, we are not going to put any on the back of the car, mostly because I'm a pussy and I feel like it's going to melt from the exhaust. But I still think it's going to look sick. Before we turn my Corsa into a year 11 disco dance party, I want to quickly say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, BOTB. So most of you beautiful people already know about BOTB, but if you don't already, BOTB are actually a dream car competition that gives away not only one, but 2 cars each week. If you are interested in winning your dream car, I can bet you they probably have it up for grabs. They have cars from the Lamborghini Urus to the Bentley B to a Tesla to this mansion on wheels and many, many more. Now, if you are like me and you are sat home struggling to grow a beard, don't worry. This guy, who is only 18 years old, won an Audi RS3 and he also won £70,000 in cash. And this 23-year-old won a G63 and flipping 70 grand in cash. Now, if you guys are at all interested in BOTB, tickets start from as little as £1.50, which is as cheap as
McDonald's fries.
Yeah, if you are interested, click the link in the description to BOTB right now. I'm actually going to pop a ticket through for a Mercedes A45S. Let's just hope I win. They've also added £50,000 to their dream car competition. So you get a car and £50,000. So if you want a chance to change your whole life, check out BOTB in the description right now. Let's get back to installing the underglow. Thank you BOTB for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys for watching this short sponsor. Back to the underglow. So we pop this open and voila. You know, back in 1990s when you got your earphones out, and this is like literally what you pulled out your pocket. Are you joking? What is this? We've obviously got RGBs. Just press the button right here and voila, look at that. So just to top this off today, we are going to be putting these under the car and it's going to look so sexy. We're going to put it in the engine bay on the front little grill bit, and oh, it's going to look sick. Literally, don't touch me, don't treat me like a dickhead. It is going to look so cool. So first up, we got to flick this little switch right here that activates the 600 brake horsepower in the car. Then we're going to have to pop the bonnet. It's actually just started to rain, which is really annoying. So pretty much just to test this, I'm going to put the positive and negative terminal on the positive and negative on the battery. Hopefully this don't blow up on my engine, because that would not be good. Boom. There you fucking have it. There, it is on. Come on, it's on. It's lit. I can't wait. Let's move that away from the battery for now. I do not want it exploding. This beautiful masterpiece of an engine. This baby V10. First 2 minutes using this and it is so not sticky. It literally feels like they've stuck plastic to the back of it. I did think of this and I've got some Gorilla Tape. A few moments later. So basically, a few moments later, that was actually me. If you guys didn't know, that was me who did the voiceover. Basically, I've tried to stick, I literally tried Gorilla Glue. I've tried sticking it to the underneath of this. I've tried sticking it to the top of this. Just does not want to stick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna tape it up here so that the whole engine bay will be lightened up. really scares me with underglow. Like, I'm shivering in my fucking boots right now. But something that does scare me is about like touching moving parts. Like, I do not want this thing ripping my battery to shreds, ripping the whole thing to shreds. I do not want this to get caught in the wheels and do a barrel roll into a fucking pond. I do not want to go I do not want to take this car swimming, alright? So I've actually run it from here in front of the airbox. It comes down here, and here is the wire. Hello. Ta-da. They look fucking sick. I'm gonna be like Need for Speed in this bitch. Right, so got these ones connected up. Got the underglow on the back, on the bottom connected up. And we've also got these ones. I don't know how this happened. I don't know if it got yanked halfway through. But it's fucking, the two wires are cut. Don't know if you guys can see, but we're gonna have to get a replacement for this. So we might only have the front lit up for this video. It's not even going to be called underglow. It's going to be called a light under the car. Fuck's sake, I'm done. Right, so I've come inside and I'm absolutely fucking knackered from installing it. But we've actually got my soldering iron out right now. And what I'm going to do is basically, so we have to solder this bit onto this wire. So that it's always a good connection. Then we can put it on the battery. Hopefully we can do it tonight. I've actually chucked the second bit of underglow away. I'll try and get a replacement, and I might do like an Instagram post if I can, showing you guys the full thing. It's a bit of a shame that it broke, but wow, would you honestly look at that view, boys? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, it is actually fucking beautiful. Oh my days. Yeah, this would be a nice selfie. Look at that. I've actually connected it to the battery right now. We've got to do a little bit of cable management, but pretty much it just hooks on right there. I've got the remote in my pocket right now. So even if the car's not on or anything, we can literally whack the remote out like so. And then we just click on. It is fucking on. Yes! Fuck yes! That is what I want. Bloody hell, it looks like we're rocking GTA style out here. I don't know if you guys can see all the red coming out there, but it actually shines out of the grills. I cannot wait until the night time. It's gonna look so good. So if you guys don't know, we've got this underglow now, light under the car. We've got RGB fog lights, which we can turn on. And of course, we've also got RGBs in there. So this car is kitted out. So all I've got to do now is a little bit of cable management, but that looks lit at the end of the day.
Skating on days we gliding, I'm hitting that in the driving. Hitting that while we vibing, you know I be on that time and light up, I'm firing. Dress it up, yeah, I be styling. Eat up the drip, she be dining. Straight to the top, she be climbing. We the ones that they admire, all of these expire.
We've got the remote right here, and I've actually kind of gassed. So unfortunately, we only have it on the front and inside the engine bay. So I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm sorry that it didn't work out, but the wire snapped. Anyway, let's stop the soppy shit. Let's go over there. So, the big reveal. It's gonna start on purple, I think. Oh my god, let me shut the engine bay. What do you think of it so far, Clay? So I haven't looked.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Or oh shit! Oh my god! Holy shit. Bro, come here. Look at that. Yo, it's like shining out the fucking lights.
You can't really see it on here.
Oh my god,
well.
that looks sick. Oh my fucking god, I'm in fucking love. Wow. That looks insane. You know what? Hold on, Chloe, come with me. Like you guys know, I have multiple RGBs. I'm going to turn on the fog lights, but I'm also going to turn on my RGB lights. Lights. Fog lights. Ah. Oi. Bro, imagine pulling up to a car meet in this. That's yellow. Yellow under there. Fucking hell.
That's pretty cool.
Yellow. If you hate this, let me tell you this, right? Can you see me?
Mhm.
If you hate this, you probably hate fucking babies, you disgusting human. Come on! What are we saying about that?
That's pretty cool.
That's fucking sick. That's so sick. Hold on, let me hold the camera. The sick thing is, guys, you can see, oh, you can't even see on here. Because my headlights are like see through here, you got the blue, you got the light like sealing through there. So obviously you've got fog lights, RGB, and unfortunately we don't have the sides. But this is what it looks like. That's sick. You might have a loud car, but I have a fucking RGB on my car. Pick like green. Oh my god, look at the green. Nah, that's sick. Bro, if you don't have fucking RGBs, get them. This would look, I'm so pissed off that those side ones didn't work. You know what I mean? I think one thing you can do is you can tap it and it will actually like change colour every time you tap it. So we're gonna do jingle bells or something. Come on, what are we saying? You could be picking up a girl and you could be like, hey babe, watch this. The thing I really like about this is obviously you've got the splitter, but you can actually see the lights through the splitter. So as I was driving along, in the little montage shots that Chloe got, you can actually see the light spilling. That's a big word, spilling through the splitter. Right, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did like the underglow. I'm really sorry that the size didn't work. So unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Follow me on Instagram at OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new and you did enjoy. If you didn't enjoy, go fuck yourself. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. That looks super duper lit, I think. Green in the engine bay. I love how it looks in the engine bay. Look at that. This should be how the engine bay usually is, because this engine is out of this world. Because it's so fucking quick. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?